Hello, class 8. So, you are here again for your English classes, and we are doing a continuation of this poem, that is All the World's a Stage. We started with this poem yesterday only, and I have given you a brief introduction about the great poet and the playwright William Shakespeare, and what is this poem all about. As I said, this world where we are living is compared to a stage, and the life is a platform. Okay, that is the stage, and we have certain roles to play, and we are the actor and actresses. Okay, like we have certain roles to play, and we be the actor and actresses that has got roles to play in this द सर्कल ऑफ लाइफ. ठीक है, तो हम लोग क्या है, ये जो वर्ल्ड जो है क्या है, हमारा स्टेज है, हमारी लाइफ है. ठीक है, और वुमेन और मेन और वुमेन क्या है, प्लेयर्स क्या है, एक्टर्स है, और उनको अपने अपने रोल्स प्ले करने, एंड दे हैड दे डिफरेंट रोल्स टू प्ले, नॉट ओनली पर्टिकुलर वन रोल. Okay, as the stage passes for the different phases, they have different roles to play. So as I said, this poem actually says that the whole life cycle has got 7 stages. ठीक है, हमारी पूरी लाइफ जो फ्रॉम बर्थ टू डेथ हैज़ गॉट 7 stages, and we play those 7 stages accordingly as we grow. ठीक है, so the first stage, as I said, is what, infancy. ठीक है, infant period, where a child is born. जब वो बच्चा बर्थ लेता है, जन्म होती है उसकी, that is the first stage. And what is its job to do? Its job is only to mew and puke. Okay, so he just knows how crying and puking. Like he only when he feels hunger, he starts crying, and then he vomits. Then the second stage is the schoolboy. That means when he is a little grown up, he is sent to school. वो school जाता है with his satchel, with his school bag, and has a complaining nature that he doesn't want to go to school. So he like actually requests and pleads. He doesn't want to go to school, but he unwillingly has to go to school. That is the second phase. And then comes the third phase, that is the lover. Lover means when he starts to understand different feelings and emotions. When he like come across with different feelings and emotions, he starts feeling, he gets attracted to someone. So that is the third phase. Okay, and he says poems, writes poetry, and he becomes a little romantic, like this kind. That is the third phase. And now we will come to the fourth stage, that is, well, let me first read you for this one. Then a soldier full of strange oaths and bearded like the part, jealous in honor, sudden and quick in quarrel, seeking the bubble reputation even in the cannon's mouth. This is the fourth stage of his life, when he is a little grown up, and this time he becomes responsible enough, and this time he takes certain oaths. ठीक है, वो बहुत सारे promises करता है, thinks about the future, and he plans for the future, that what he wants to become in life. है ना, ये फेज में, and he has got little beard, like उस टाइम पे उसके beards grow करना start होते हैं, and full of strange oaths, like he starts taking promises, and like bearded like the part. Now what is a part? It's like a leopard, full of energy. He wants to like achieve so much in life, and he gets into quarrel because of the young blood. Okay, because of its youth. He is just fresh, he has just grown up, he has crossed his teens. So वो fresh blood है, कोई भी छोटी मोटी लड़ाई में पड़ जाना, like because he does not know how to control his anger. Okay, seeking in a bubble's reputation. Reputation means like झूठ, what should I say, like being for the sake of his honor. ठीक है, तो वो क्या कर सकता, दस स्टेज में क्या है, ये फोर्थ स्टेज में जब वो ग्रो करता है, ही स्टार्ट्स टेकिंग ओथ, ही प्लान्स फॉर हिज फ्यूचर, और बहुत सारी चीज़ें जो उसको अचीव करनी है लाइफ में, वो सब लाइक अ फ्रेश, लाइक अ लेपर्ड, फुल ऑफ एनर्जी. ओके, एंड देन इज द फिफ्थ स्टेज, दैट इज द And then the justice in fair round belly with good caption lined, with eyes severe and beard of formal cut, full of wise saw and modern instances. एंड देन उसका फिफ्थ स्टेज आता है जब वो एक फादरली फिगर हो जाता है, मीन्स ही गेट्स मैरिड एंड हैव्स किड एंड हैज़ किड्स, ओके। और उसके बाद वो उसकी रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी जो होती है लाइफ में वो उसको like he whatever he does he thinks about it first, ठीक है। and this particular line, in fair round belly with the good captioned line, that means his face and his body, because he starts eating and because there is he needs to perform certain responsibilities. So what happened, वो belly मतलब थोड़ा सा पेट निकल जाता है, because fathers को देखना, they have to take care of the whole family, he is the only earning member in the family. So what happens, वो अपने से पहले दूसरों का सोचते हैं, that is how like becomes थोड़ा बहुत अपने हेल्थ को लेकर के उतना नहीं सोचते हैं, इसलिए वो belly निकल जाना, that is what happens in the fifth stage, okay। फुल ऑफ वाइज सॉज एंड मॉडर्न इंस्टेंसेस, मतलब वो बहुत सारे कुछ भी काम करने से पहले वो उस टाइम वो जो पहला जो था फोर्थ स्टेज, लाइक ही नेवर यूज टू थिंक व्हाट ही हैज़ टू डू, बस जस्ट गेट इन टू इट, वो इन्वॉल्व हो जाते हैं। बट नाउ इन दिस फिफ्थ स्टेज ही इज़ लाइक वाइज, ही विल थिंक फर्स्ट एंड देन डू what he wished to do, understood। And so he plays his part. Then comes the sixth stage. The sixth stage shifts into the lean and slippered pantaloon with spectacles on nose and pouch on his side. His youthful hose well shaved, a world too wide for his shrunk shank, and his big manly voice turning again towards childish treble pipes and whistles in his sound. Then comes the sixth stage of his life, when the man turns towards his old age, okay। जब वो ओल्ड एज की तरफ बढ़ता है, तो उसके बाद क्या होता है, वो जो जस्ट थिंक ऑफ द यंग एज व्हेन ही यूज्ड टू लाइक फिटेड ड्रेस, जीन्स, t-shirts, but now he fits into what, लीन एंड स्लीपर्ड पैंटलून्स, मतलब स्लीपर्ड वो पैंट पहनना और स्पेक्टिकल्स होना नोज़ पे, और एक पाउच हमेशा साइड में कैरी करना, जिसमें उस या तो उसकी मेडिसिन हो सकती है या फिर कुछ ऐसी चीज़ें जो इंपॉर्टेंट है जो उसको कैरी करना चाहिए, ठीक है। हिज यूथफुल हुज, ओके, दैट मीन्स वो जो क्लोज फिटिंग कपड़े पहनते थे जब वो यंग थे, अब वो चेंज होकर के क्या हो गए हैं, नाउ ही इज़ मोर इनटू कंफर्टेबल क्लोथ जो उसको कंफर्ट देती हो, तो it's kind of a loose ones, okay। And for his shrank now for his shrunk, and now the body is also giving up ना, जैसे आप यंग होते हो your body is so firm, but जैसे जैसे ओल्ड एज होती है wrinkles and बहुत सारी चीज़ें जो स्टार्ट हो जाती है, और उसकी जो मैनली वॉइस होती है अब वो ट्रेबल करने, मतलब थर थर आने लगती है, ठीक है, लाइक ही कैन नॉट स्पीक दैट वे नाउ। So this is how the old age is. Then comes the last stage, that is the when he is like bedridden, and last scene of all that ends this strange eventful history in its second childishness and mere oblivion, sans teeth, sans eyes, sans taste, and sans everything. That means in the last stage he is just become the last stage is actually compared to the first stage of life, that is the child, that is the infant one, ठीक है। जैसे एक बर्थ होता है ना एक बच्चे का, उसी तरह से सेम वेज ही इज टर्न टूवर्ड्स इन द लास्ट स्टेज। वाई, बिकॉज जैसे एक बच्चा छोटा बेबी होता है उसका काम क्या होता है, हिज जस्ट क्राइज, म्यूल्स एंड प्यूक्स, सेम वेज ये सीन में ये लास्ट स्टेज में भी वैसे ही हो जाता है, बिकॉज वो उस टाइम पे अपनी सारी चीज़ें खो देते हैं स्लोली ग्रेजुअली, लाइक आइज वीक हो जाती है, ही कैन नॉट द आई साइट, he cannot see properly, he cannot listen properly, one cannot listen properly, taste buds भी काम नहीं करते हैं, तो that is sans teeth, sans eye, sans taste and sans everything, that means without teeth the teeth also starts to lose, है ना। जैसे एक छोटे बेबी का teeth नहीं होता है, वैसे ही इस स्टेज पे भी धीरे धीरे वो सारे teeth जाने लगते हैं, आई साइट कम हो जाती है, टेस्ट बड्स काम नहीं करते, और sans everything like without। So this is how the strange eventful जो थ्रू आउट जो ये जो लाइफ, ये जो स्टेज उसने जिया था, लाइक फ्रॉम बर्थ टू डेथ, ये उसका काइंड ऑफ एंड है, That is the end, and this is how you exit from this world. That means you have played all the parts, you are in all the phases of your life, you have completed all the parts of your life. So this is how the play ends. Understood? This is a very interesting poem because it tells you like one cannot remain young all the time. There has to be other phase, so you have to be prepare for yourself. Okay, so if you are young, you cannot play fun with your elders, because certain time कुछ दिन बाद आप भी वो बनोगे. Maybe if you have done that, history might repeat. हो सकता है कि आपके भी छोटे आपको respect ना करें. तो we should also remember this. So this is the whole stages that we come across, और ये kind of circle है, life cycle है, जो सबको go through करनी पड़ती है. Okay, I hope you have understood this poem. So what you need to do is copy the whole poem in your notebook, even the word meanings and about the poet. Okay, till then, take care, and we'll see you in the next class. And in the next class, we shall be discussing the question answers and other back exercises. Chalo, take care, and thank you, class.